top 10 AM5 motherboards under $300. Starting off, we have the Gigabyte Eagle B850 Wi-Fi. This motherboard is coming in at a price tag of $183. Another B850 motherboard from Gigabyte, the AORUS, coming in at $219. This is both for the white version and the black version. Next up, we have the ASUS TUF B850M Plus coming in at $219. Next up, we have another ASUS board. It's the bigger version of the M. It's the B850 Plus Wi-Fi, and this is coming in at $229. And we have the MSI Mag B850 Tomahawk coming in at $245. Now, this is where I would draw the line. Anything over $250 on a B850 board right now, I wouldn't pay. So we're going to move this up and take it to a better board. Now, moving this to the X870 series, we have the Gigabyte AORUS, both in white and black, coming in at a price tag of $269. Next up, we have the ASUS TUF X870 coming in at $279. And finally, what I consider to be the top end of this bracket has to be the ASUS ROG Strix X870A, coming in at a price tag of $289. And that's it, guys. For more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe.